Adobe Express is one of the best platforms for content creators, providing tons of tools and features to create pretty much anything you need. With their free plan, you have access to thousands of design templates and assets, powerful editing tools, and even the ability to schedule posts. So is upgrading to Adobe Express Premium actually worth it? We'll find out in this Express sponsored video. Let's start by taking a look at what's included in the free plan. Honestly, the free version is a powerhouse all on its own. Right out the gate, without spending a dime, you get access to over 100,000 templates, a million royalty-free Adobe stock assets, and 4,000 fonts. If you're just starting out, or only need to schedule content for a single social media account, this gives you all the basic standard photo, video, and document editing tools you need to get the job done. But if you're a more experienced creator and need more variety for your content, you'll probably want to access all the other tools and assets hidden behind the premium icon. When you upgrade to premium, that library of 1 million assets suddenly explodes to over 200 million royalty-free Adobe stock photos, videos, and other design assets. Your font choices jump from 4,000 to over 30,000 from the complete Adobe Fonts collection, and you can even upload your own custom fonts, so your typography always matches your brand's exact guidelines. Another huge difference between the free and premium plans is access to generative AI tools. As an Adobe ambassador for Express and Firefly, I get to use these tools constantly, and the gap between free and premium here is massive. On the free plan, you have very limited daily generative credits, and only get a few lifetime uses for features like video and presentation generation. But with premium, you get 250 generative credits every single month. This gives you more freedom to use generative AI for generating images, text effects, personalized templates, and more. With premium, you also get access to partner generative AI models such as Google Gemini, OpenAI GPT, Flux, and more. No single AI model is the best at everything, and being able to access top AI models in one place will save you time and enhance your workflow. You also get unlimited presentation generations, and even the ability to generate 5-second videos which are designed to be commercially safe. If you're a serious content creator or building a brand, this can provide peace of mind knowing you can actually use these assets in your business. For video creators, Premium lets you export in full 4K and increases your video length limit from 30 minutes to up to 2 hours. It also unlocks the Remove Video Background tool, which eliminates the need for a green screen, and the Enhanced Speech feature that can instantly clean up your audio. Time is money, and with the Premium tier, you unlock advanced design tools that literally buy your time back. If you need to post across different platforms, for instance, you can use the one-click resize tool to automatically scale your assets for multiple channels. As your brand grows, consistency is everything. This is where brand kits come in. With Premium, you can keep all your colors, fonts, logos, and graphics in your brand kit and apply them to any template with a single click. And with access to libraries, you can store all your Adobe Express and Creative Cloud assets in one place. Premium also turns Adobe Express into a full-scale publishing hub. Instead of being limited to scheduling posts for just one account per social network, Premium lets you plan, publish, and schedule unlimited social posts to up to 3 accounts per social network, and even includes 3 separate shared social calendars for your team. So what's the final verdict? If you're a casual user, someone who just needs a quick graphic for a personal project every now and then, stick with the free plan. It's incredibly generous. But if you're a content creator, business owner, or an entrepreneur scaling a brand, Premium is an absolute no-brainer. Adobe Express Premium costs $9.99 per month, or $99.99 for the year. And there's no annual commitment if you pay monthly. The 250 generative AI credits, over 200 million assets, and the one-click workflow tools will easily save you more than $10 worth of your time in the first week alone. If you want to try Premium for yourself, you can try it with a 30-day free trial using the link in the video description. Let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited to try out, and I'll see you in the next video.